So guys, this is the first part of motion banner tutorial or animated banner tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to make a banner by using the Adobe Photoshop, and then we will animate this banner by using the Adobe After Effects. So let's start. So before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. First of all, we have to take a size. So come here and click on new, and here we have to give a name and make sure you have selected pixels and width 1080, height 1080 and resolution 300 and color mode RGB color. Click on create button. So we have a size. Now first of all we need to take gray color. So come here on the layer panel and click on this icon, and here choose solid color and take something like this. This is color code, you can copy it. Click OK, and now lock it because we don't want to move it, so lock it. Now we will bring our image. So as I have downloaded my image, and I will share you my project in PSD format, and without any pay you can download it. So let's start. So bring our image in Photoshop, and this is our image. So scale down and right click on flip horizontal. Now click on right icon, and now select rectangle tool and draw here a rectangle like this, and now open fill, this one, and close stroke here. Click on this icon, and now double click on the thumbnail for change the color. So as you can see, my color code is this one, so you can copy it and get this color and click OK. Now press Ctrl T. Now we will write our text. So I will copy and paste my text. Ctrl C, and here select text tool and paste here, and now change the color of text. So click here and choose this one, and this color should be little dark. Okay, now increase the size. This one I will keep 20. Yeah, perfect. And now select move tool and put it here on the center, and now again copy this text and select text tool and drag your mouse, and now paste it. Now select all and select font Gotham medium, and now decrease the size of the font and change the color like dark. Now click OK, and our text is ready. Now select rounded rectangle tool and draw here like me as this one, and now increase the roundness full and select move tool and put it here and select this rounded rectangle layer and stroke, close the stroke and open fill in black color. And now select text tool and copy this text and paste in other place. So change the color of text white and put it on the center. And now press Ctrl T and increase the size. Now select both layers, rounded rectangle and our text, this one. Come here on Move tool, click on this center button and again click on this center button. So now this is center aligned. Now press Ctrl G. Now we have a group which is our button. Now change the name button and now again select text tool and write here your website name. So Ctrl V and I will change the color in white color and now put it on the center and select all layers. I have selected all layers and come here, select, click on all. Now we have a selection. As you can see, my canvas is selected. And come here on Move tool and now click on this center button. And now we have a horizontal center aligned. And now deselect our selection. So our banner is almost complete. And what we need to draw a line here. So select pen tool and close the fill and open the stroke in black color and make sure you have check on shape and one click on this place. Now click on here with holding shift key. Now you will get a straight line and select Move tool and put it here. And we have to align this one also. So come here on the select and click on all. Now we have a selection. Select Move tool and make sure you have selected your layer, this one, and click on this center button. And now we have aligned. Now come here again on select and deselect it. So now we will adjust our text and decrease the size of this text, something like 8. Okay, and change this shape color. Click on the thumbnail, double click on it and something like this, little bit dark, yeah, this one. Click OK and our button should be here. And one more text, Ctrl C, our logo, Ctrl C and select text tool and paste it here and change the color black. Okay, and put it here, yeah, here. And now we have a simple banner. Now let's save it So go to file and click on save as and change the format JPEG and name it if you want. I will keep this name and click on save button. So I will recommend to you that whenever you save your file, make sure your quality is 12, so you will get your banner in perfect quality. Now click on OK. So our banner is here, so let's check. So in the next tutorial we will make this banner into the motion banner or animated banner using the Adobe After Effects software. So you must see my next tutorial, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So I will meet you in the next video, and thank you for watching this video.